If you want to change your profile picture on ChatGPT, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. It only takes a minute, and once you know where to click, it's very simple to update your profile image whenever you want. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, go to ChatGPT in your browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. This is important because the profile picture you change will apply to the account you're currently using. Once you're on the main ChatGPT screen, look to the bottom left corner of the page. That's where your profile area is located. Now click on your profile icon in the lower left corner, and then click on your name. This will open your account or profile settings, where you can manage personal details tied to your ChatGPT account. If you don't see it right away, take a second to look closely at the left sidebar, because that's where this option usually appears. Inside your profile settings, look for the camera icon. This is the button you'll use to change your profile picture. Click the camera icon, and then select the photo you want to use from your device. Make sure you choose an image that looks clear and fits the style you want for your account. A simple, well-lit image usually works best. After selecting your photo, ChatGPT may give you a chance to adjust or preview it before saving. Take a moment to make sure it looks right and is centered properly. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Save. That final step confirms the new profile picture and updates your account. And that's it. Your ChatGPT profile picture has now been changed successfully. You can go back to the main interface and see your updated image in the account area. If it doesn't update instantly, just refresh the page or sign out and back in once. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.